inside? What's in there? Look at it. It's bubbles.
Bubbles.
There's bubbles. Should we open it?
Okay.
Okay, go see what else.
What is this?
What does it look like?
It looks like something like. What is it?
It's like a bunny.
A bite. Hey, what is this? What is this?
What is that?
Chalk.
Yeah, some chalk for outside.
Oh, I found some chalk.
Great.
Can we open it?
Sure. I was trying to get your bubbles open though.
Bubbles open. What's this?
What are those?
Those are paints.
Yeah.
Those are blue paints. There's 2 paints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this?
What's that?
What is it? Hey, is this?
It's candy.
Oh.
There's some candy for you. Let's see this one.
What is this?
It's just grass that goes in the basket. Yeah.
Plastic trash.
Hey, look at this bunny. Look what happens. He lights up. Here, you want him?
Yeah.
Neat.
Yeah. We can turn it. We